Hello, beautiful souls. This is going to be an energy activation for new beginnings. I'm outside right now as the sun is rising, and I'm going to be channeling the energy of the sunrise through me into you. And I do live in an urban area, so there are noises of the world coming alive again. This is something I did a year ago, and I got guidance to do it again. And it was inspired by one of my followers who sent me a picture of a sunrise, and that sparked a lot of intuitions and guidance about a new beginning being here. And after I had gotten those intuitions, I remembered that I actually did this channeling a year ago, almost exactly a year ago. And so what I want you to do to receive this energy activation is simply relax and allow. Everything will be done on your behalf, and I will be guiding you through some visuals to create and intend what this new beginning looks like for you. So just close your eyes. Allow yourself to receive. I will be connecting energetically to you at this time, channeling the energy of a sunrise. I always start with some sacred symbols to connect energetically to you, to protect your energy, and call in the divine white light. Just focusing now on your breath, allowing yourself to relax. My intention for you is that you get exactly what you need from this session. And I want you to go within your mind's eye and really allow yourself to let go fully and completely of all of the outside circumstances and situations. Imagine that there is a beautiful divine bubble of light right in front of you. And I want you to send into that light all that you are ready to release and let go of for good. So just imagine all of this energy pouring into this bubble of light now. This is the energy of an old chapter. The situations, the thoughts, the patterns, the habits, the circumstances, everything you're ready to let go of now. Allowing this energy just to pour through you, releasing it all into this bubble of light. Feeling freer and freer as you let go of this energy for good. Anything that you may be carrying on to from the world, what you've experienced in this world, what you've been observing of what is going on, allow all of this energy to go into this divine bubble of light where it will be healed for the highest and best good of all involved. And with one final breath, exhale all the rest. Just let it all go into this divine bubble of light. Inhale. Exhale, release it all. All of the weight is off your shoulders. It is out of your energy field now. And now imagine that this divine bubble of light is growing brighter and brighter, dissolving all that you placed in it, turning it all back into divine light. It grows brighter and brighter and brighter until it all just dissolves, being recycled back to the energy of the universe, to the divine loving arms of unconditional love, unconditional light and forgiveness. And once again, come into your mind's eye, releasing all outside circumstances. It is just you and your consciousness at this time. The consciousness that is a powerful creative force. And I'm asking that the sunrise is channeled through me into you, channeling in this bright new dawn, this new beginning. And as I am doing so in your mind's eye, intend or visualize what this new beginning is like for you right now. I want you to visualize everything that you can from a first-person point of view. You are in this new beginning now. How do you know you are there? Who is around you, if anyone? What are you doing? How do you feel? Allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into this experience, and if fear or resistance comes up, push through them. This is your reality now. Allowing yourself to go deeper in it, deeper into the feeling of this experience, the knowing that it is all here now, that it is already done. What has happened up to this point is all dissolved. Any cycles of struggle have ended. This is a fresh start, a clean slate, a blank canvas. Feel this with every inch of your being. allowing this energy to integrate with every cell of your body, with your mind and your perception and your expectations all being infused, with your entire energy and auric field expanding in this energy that you just created. And now let's all take a moment to expand this to the world. In your mind's eye, what does this new beginning for Earth, for humanity, look like? Let go. Allow yourself, give yourself permission to let go of what is around you now. And visualize and create. Use your power to create a new beginning. If you were to wake up and experience heaven on earth or utopia, what would it look like? Give yourself permission to go there. And now imagine that this energy that you created within your consciousness for your own new beginning and for the world, this energy is expanding out, creating an energetic bubble around the entire earth, expanding out into the universe, touching every being, every person, every circumstance, allowing it all to mold to your creation, all to mold to what you just created in your consciousness. It is done, it is done, it is done. And so I've just now disconnected from this energy channeling. I want to thank you for participating in this for yourself and for others. And this is a space that you can come back to within your own consciousness, knowing that every time you do, you are reinforcing this new beginning. I am sending you all so much love and light, and I'll talk with you next time.